It's eBay's hottest tech deal of the week, and you will not get the price I'm going to show you unless you have this coupon code coming right up. It's a deal to jump for. Hey, yeah. Oh, anyone know what it is yet? I know you're thinking you think you know what it is. You might. We're bringing power to the people. I'm the YouTube deal guy, Matt Granite. I'm very excited because I have another coupon code in today's deal that is tied to eBay. For those of you wondering, why did I start doing eBay secret deals of the week? Two reasons. One, it gives me a chance to support mom and pop retailers, local, lesser known merchants, rather than just the Amazons and the Walmarts and the Targets and all the big box retail stores from which I find deals. And also, sometimes when I do this, I get sponsored. Like today, Nation's Best Deals sponsoring today's eBay Roundup because, well, why not? So that'll help me buy diapers. Thank you for watching this video. When you do watch this video and you do use the link, you are helping support me financially, and I appreciate it. Now, the deal of the week is tied to something that I actually profiled several months ago. There are a lot of requests for back-to-school safety items for the vehicle, for power on the go. We've got all of these other occasions where the storm hits and you want to make sure that you are ready to rock. So I'm going to do a 2-in-1. It is jump starter meets power bank meets emergency kit. That's actually a 3-in-1 because I'm an idiot. And if you didn't score the price that I found last time on this, I'm going to show you an unbelievable price. $59.99, $60 down from $130, but this is not some jump starter. This is actually a way to... I love this. Power more gadgets than you ever thought. And if jump starters do not excite you, just at its core, this is a fully loaded power bank that you won't believe. If you've seen my jump starter videos and other products that I profiled in the past, expand the video description box right under me. You're going to find a link to today's deal that has a coupon code, which I'm going to show you how to use in a moment. First, let's check out the power. Simply as a power source, you're going to get 30 jump starts on a full battery charge for really any type of vehicle. We're talking trailers, RVs, SUVs, cars, trucks, 4.5 liter gas or 3.0 liter diesel engine. That is amazing. But on top of that, you have 4 USB ports and a 10,000 milliamp battery tied purely to the power bank. With Smart ID charging, you're going to get double the fast charge speed you would on a competing device and 1 year of standby. That's awesome. And of course, in this kit, you get the charge cables, the jumper cables, the device charge cables, and the carrying case. So it is a fully loaded offer for you. On top of that, then you have the emergency kit. You have the window breaker. There's also a compass. You have the emergency LED lights over here with an SOS mode. So that's perfect. SOS mode, not putting that directly at the camera. There we go. And with that, you always know how much battery life you have. See? Phenomenal. You also have the seatbelt cutter. In the event that you or anyone you care about is trapped in a vehicle or it flips or you're, heaven forbid, submerged in water, this is something that you can reach for. It's also very visible, right? You've got a visible carrying case, the neon colors on this. You don't want some black, sleek jump charger. You want something that you can grab and see if this happens to fall under a car seat or anything along those lines in your glove box. This is a great product. I'm going to show this to you now in a jump start situation as well. All right, let's get the hood open. This flashlight, particularly handy. Obviously, it's almost nighttime, so I don't need this right now, but it is good to have and know that I can turn this on when I am ready to jumpstart the ignition. This is how you jumpstart your car for the sake of this demonstration. I'm going to move as quickly as I can. You plug this in to the emergency jump starter. You can see it's plugged in now, and I'm going to power this off for a second because we are setting this up and you want to do the jump start after you've made contact. You have your positive and your negative. Usually the cars will clearly mark the red, the positive, and then the black. And all you want to do is you want to attach the jumper cables to any piece of metal that's exposed, in this case right here, right? Put this in place here. And then to jumpstart your vehicle, you turn this on, you hit the AC button, which is right here, and then you are ready to do a jump start. In the case of a completely run down battery in an RV, an SUV, a vehicle, a boat, whatever it is, this is capable of doing that. And you'll notice these aren't extremely long. jumper cables. The Crocodile cables on here, which are spark free, only need to run from the emergency power bank booster to the car battery itself. You're not connecting it from one vehicle to another. And in the event you do want to be a good Samaritan and help someone in the event of an emergency, all you need to do is bring this over to the hood of their car. Before I get to the coupon code, you're going to see several jump starters on eBay that all promise to do the same thing. They don't. I test a lot of deals, and I will tell you that the battery in here is a higher power battery that, with its 1 year standby time and some of the other elements that it provides, it's just a better battery. That really does make the difference if you are paying a few dollars more. All right, it's coupon code time. When you use the link located right under the video screen, you are going to see this $130 product reduced to $99.99, $30 discount. The price could change depending on when you're watching this video, but while I'm recording it, my instructions are as follows because this coupon code is valid. Do not click buy now. Do not click add to cart. Click make offer. And what many people don't know is this is actually your key to using a coupon code in the add message to seller box on eBay that a lot of people are not aware of. This is different from bidding. This is a licensed coupon code for this specific merchant. And all you need to do is enter the price of $59.99 or $60. You can put in either if you want to. I would say $59.99 is the guaranteed price they are going to accept. You're going to get something that says increase your offer. Don't listen to that. You do not need to do that. Then you want to add a message to the seller. And this is where you enter coupon code, one word, all lowercase or uppercase. It doesn't make a difference. Jump me. I know, they're creative. That's their coupon code. Then you click review offer. And when you click submit offer, you are able to buy this for $59.99. Down from $100, which was originally a list price of $130, you're going to get an email from eBay. They, within sometimes a few minutes, sometimes within 24 hours, will send you a confirmation that you then want to complete your purchase. So you click submit offer, and then as soon as you get that email from eBay, just click complete purchase, and then you will be purchasing the item for the coupon price of $59.99. A reminder, you need to use that note to seller, and you need to use Jump Me. The shipping prices will vary. I've noticed that they've actually been closer to $4 or $5 depending when you order and where they are in the country, and it is quick free delivery. So that price will hopefully drop from the standard shipping you see on my screen. And that's it. With that, you're getting peace of mind, power to the people, a jumpstart system, an emergency kit, and then a really solid power bank. If you were to buy each of those items on their own, of course, you're well north of the $100 mark, and to get that all into one item that has a carrying case and accessories, you're doing really well. Again, expand that video description box right under me. Use that coupon code that I showcased previously just a few seconds ago, and that's all you need, all right? I need you to continue doing YouTube and continue existing, and I really appreciate you guys watching. If you're not yet subscribed, I do Amazon deals of the week, I do different roundups, and I do unboxings by request on the items that you let me know you want to see in the comments section. So I'd love to have you around for a future video. Thank you for the support. If you're not yet subscribed, this is what you can do. Just click on my oversized head right here. That will subscribe you to this channel. If you need help turning on your notifications or leaving a comment, click here. And the last big roundup of deals I did, they're here.